Hey guys, Corey LaJoie here at NASCAR.com Studio 3. My friend Alex and Jonathan, we're about to unbox the new Panini trading cards. I can't wait to see what the package is. It's coming in hot. Here it is. Why, thank you.
Do your Panini joke.
Oh, hot off the Panini press right there.
Hot off the Panini press. Thank you, Panera Bread.
Whoa. All right.
I don't want this box.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
The box is nice.
box
except
is nice.
for it has Kyle Busch on the cover.
How do you feel about that? Can we get a
It's a
Corey LaJoie box?
40 cards per
don't
box.
do
That's
that.
a full field.
Ages 9 and up. You're good?
Yep.
You're good?
8 pedal to the metal holographic inserts per box on average. So we got some holographic stuff in here.
Kyle Busch is on the cover of all these boxes.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
4 packs.
Where'd you get that deal?
And on the cover of every one of these packages. So Kyle Busch is getting
And on the
big time money here.
These
for
feel
this.
like this is
pedal
quality.
to the
It
middle.
is quality packs. Let's rip it open here.
Y'all went really quick into that.
Yeah, we don't mess around.
We got a lot
Alright.
of cards to open.
Pack
10
number-
cards per pack. Ow.
They want us to make this segment long, so let's check
Dang.
them
Look at that. They do have old stuff.
Nuh-uh.
out. No,
Western Auto holographic. Daryl
Ryan
Waltrip.
Dillon. Oh, yeah. Rusty Wallace. There
they're
you
not
go.
really packaging in anything.
Chase
So,
Elliott holographic.
I
Get
have-
out of
guys,
town.
I have a Ryan Newman race worn fire suit
That's
as well as a
bigger
tire.
card than all the other cards.
It is
That's
wide. It's just
appropriate.
wider. Yeah, it's just wider than all.
Bobby
the
Allison I'll hit the holographic
Okay,
jackpot.
so it has their win. Wait. Oh, some of them are past winners. Okay, I got it. Then on the back
All right, I got.
gives a description.
Dude.
you
Almost
gotta-
all mine are
Dylan.
holographic.
Bro, you got a jackpot of a pack.
Got-
Why didn't I get?
Logano. I got a Chris
All right.
Buescher.
All right,
Pedal to the metal.
can I trade you? Can I trade you a Jimmy Johnson for a? No, I'm not going to trade away my Jimmy Johnson.
Yeah,
I'm going to
what?
trade away my Dale Jr. I'm going to trade a Dale
which
Jr.
ones you
for the
get?
Bobby Allison card
Which ones you get though? Is it holographic?
Wait, why
Yeah,
does
it's
it like
holographic.
that?
Ooh.
because that's his fire suit and that's a tire. Like that's actually the race
Yeah,
driven
that's-
fire suit as well as race driven tire.
My Bobby Allison.
Cool.
Am I getting a 2-for-1?
You don't get a 2-for-1.
But yeah, but it's Bobby Allison.
I'm making a deal straight up with you.
83 wins.
Dale Jarrett.
Well, I'll sweeten the deal.
Kane.
How about that? I'll throw in
Access good.
a Ty Dillon card. To
I'm
sweeten
sold, dude. Sold.
That's a good deal.
Wait, who did y'all
I think
just
I made
trade?
out good in that.
I
You
got
have Chris Buescher.
yeah, I got a Chris Buescher.
Danny Hamlin.
All right, I'm opening another pack
All right,
because I can't wait.
How about this? We're gonna open these 4 packs of cards
And
fairly
throw
quick, and we're gonna pick our best 10. Like kind of like what's
Ooh.
that game?
I don't know what you're talking about. But.
I'm telling
don't
you
know.
right now that
It's gonna be like
So you get 4 in a box, which is a lot of cards.
this is. I'm not making this up. I'm thoroughly impressed with the amount of like quality stuff in these
I have
packs.
Joey's champion card. That's worth a lot.
Worth about as much as a piece of sliced bread.
man, when you guys get a
Spread.
Corey LaJoie card, just
I have the
hold the
king.
horses.
I have 2 Tanner Berry Hills. Oh, there's Xfinity drivers in here too.
I want to trade this.
Ooh,
I got
a Richard Petty.
I've
Me
got an
too.
autographed Matt Tift.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Does
what
anybody
are
want
You
we-
this
got an
one?
autograph?
Does anybody want this one?
No, I don't want that one.
I don't want that one.
It's a Corey LaJoie Allspice.
You got so some of them are autographed in these packs.
Oh yeah, John Hunter's is.
Matt Tift is autographed.
Wow.
Whoa. All right, we're opening them all.
I have signed,
I have a Danica. That's
I have
appropriate.
signed hundreds of cards
2.
for Panini, so there may or may not be some Corey LaJoie signed cards in this.
I have 3 Richard
All
Petties,
right, all
so
right.
y'all are in trouble.
Dang.
Okay. I got to sign Matt Benedetto with the fire suit that he wore at Bristol.
Ryan Blaney, Martin Truex.
I have a lot of Joeys.
I got 2 Matt Benedetto
I got
cards
a
in one.
Haley Deegan driver suit.
Ooh. I have
We got a
Danica.
Landon Castle. I feel like that's an underrated card there.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
a lot of Joeys. Mark Martin,
Alex Bowman, who's that?
Ryan Newman.
Just
it.
kidding.
Stop.
He gives me a hard time. All right, we have enough.
You're literally laying them all out. Like I'm stacking
Yeah. We have enough. We can each open 2 boxes.
No, 2 boxes.
Why not?
That's a lot.
We got to fill 10 minutes of time.
I'm hungry. It's lunchtime.
Hey, some of these are
Ooh,
some of
Darryl
these are
Waltrip
valuable.
card.
I got a Darryl
I
Waltrip.
have 19 Joeys.
Guys, I got a signed Haley Deegan card.
Why didn't you
Mary, that
call?
beats
I got
yours.
one too. It's
That
signed.
beats yours.
I'm pretty sure.
Haley Deegan.
Yeah. Why didn't
Give the people what they want.
you nickname Joey Baby Kangaroo instead of Sliced Bread?
Why would he be baby kangaroo?
For Joey.
Yeah, come on.
Oh. Banana. Got it.
Nah.
Got it.
Austin
Got it.
Dillon,
I got a couple
Ooh.
good Bubba
W.
Wallace's.
Mark Martin.
Did you open another box?
Yeah, I did. I got a Kyle Busch uniform. John
This is
Hunter.
a lot for me to. Hold
How
on.
about
Hold
me,
on.
How about me and you split a box? You got to start losing some.
Is this your Landon or my Landon? No. Wait.
You guys are slow.
Huh? You and I are going to split a box here.
Okay.
So you better lose some.
Okay. So I'm picking my top 10.
This is
Yeah.
a good one. You want that?
Don't tell me.
I'm just trying to give you some advice. Casey Kane, Matt DiBenedetto,
Okay.
Waltrip. Ooh, Bubba Wallace.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a solid one. Gray Galding, Richard Petty, Kyle Busch, Rusty Wallace, champion card.
Okay.
Were we
This is a
supposed to?
lot
Maybe
for
we
me
weren't
to-
supposed to open all these, but
I think we were.
I don't think we were. Oh, I got a signed Brad K one. That's a good one.
oh boy.
Wait, we weren't supposed to open all
Ooh,
that?
I got two Corey LaJoies.
Dude, you're the top vote getter here.
Richard Petty. So what happens if we have the same cards? We
Then you
can't
push.
beat each other.
I've got to sign Ryan Priest.
So are you keeping yours? Or are you just?
I'm just stacking them up. I got a
That's
good
not
memory.
how this. That's not how this game works.
Yeah.
Is it?
Aaron.
No,
What are you doing?
you gotta
Oh,
pick your 10 best cards.
I'm going to.
You're gonna go through that stack again.
I already know. I already know
See,
what's in
I
there.
already know my winners. I know a winner when I see one.
Yeah. Oh, and that's not one. Just kidding.
Got
Signed,
'em.
signed Kevin Harvick.
Got him.
Got him.
Ooh.
Ooh, man, I got a sweet Dale Earnhardt Jr. collection.
Ryan Blaney, fire suit. Doesn't make the cut.
Why are some
Man, I
fire
whiffed.
suits and some not
I
fire
whiffed.
suits?
All of
I
them have
whiffed on the last
something
pack there,
on
but
'em.
that's okay. I've got some good ones.
That's
Jimmy
solid.
Jam.
Nope. Ooh, yeah, this is.
Bubba.
I like that. That's good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
These are
7.
cool.
Ooh, uh-oh. I need to.
Okay, I have one more pack I have to open. Moving a
I
little
like how
slow.
I like how it said an average of 8 holographic cards, but I've got like
Two
every.
Rusty Wallaces.
Oh, mine
Pretty
are
good.
crazy good.
Ricky. Christopher Bell.
Ooh, nice snack.
Okay, so is it? Are we building a team or
yeah.
are we just picking our top of all
Top 10.
time?
We're gonna do top 10, and then we're gonna narrow it down
Two DWs.
to the chase.
I really didn't want to give you that Bobby Allison card earlier, but I just had another one in a pack, so it's all good.
See, I thought I had the one up on you there.
No, that's cool.
All right.
That's
I'm ready.
cool.
You got some.
Yeah, you boys are taking too long. I have 7 Joeys.
It's a lot of kangaroos.
Lot of roos. Okay, so
Ooh, that Texas
I'm
Terry's a
not
badass.
Ooh.
Texas Terry for sure.
All right.
Cool Terry Labonte story when he was down here at the Hall of Fame for the RCR. Is it what 20th anniversary of the Rattler's Cage deal? Told me that he was trying to put his car in reverse to pull out and go T-bone Senior after he wrecked him, but he tore reverse out of the car, so he didn't get to do that.
That's a good story.
all right, Corey, you're in charge of this.
All right.
Ship,
This
what are we
This
doing?
is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull out. So we're gonna do this, right? So we're all three gonna pull out our cards, and then we're gonna decide who has the best one per that round. And then if it's yours, then you get to keep it. And whoever has the most at the end of the round, end of
All right.
this thing wins.
Can we get rid of this?
So
We're gonna-
what's your? I mean, are you stage racing, or are you going for a race win?
Yeah, I think you got to go for. You just got to lay down with the card you think's the best. It's like rock paper scissors shoot, man.
I read this backwards. I thought it was a Wendell Scott. I got really excited.
Okay.
All right. Get your first card out ready. We're about to put it out.
Put it out.
Oh, so I can't react to y'all's.
No. No, it's 1, 2, 3. Lay it down.
Okay.
Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm going for the jaw first swing.
Are
here.
you?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to have to pull out my big one then. Or you almost got to, if you think you got a good one, I think you almost have to hold it, and that way you got to know you got it.
Yeah, but I don't know.
All right, here we go. You got it?
Yep.
All right.
I'm
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Texas Terry. Ooh, I don't know. That's close right there.
Jimmy Jam wins that for sure.
I
It
mean,
even
Yep.
has his uniform on it.
The GOAT.
yeah.
So she gets to keep, she's won. She's won.
I get to keep my card?
Yeah, you just get to keep yours. We lose ours.
Okay.
You lose Texas Terry forever.
He's gone.
All right. Ready?
Not yet.
Yes.
Sure. Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
2 Richard Petty's and a Darrell Waltrip. I think I would say that we both get to keep our card, and you lose Darrell Waltrip,
Gone.
being that he's the king. All right. Next round. Ready?
Nope.
Sure.
Nope.
Pick one.
Oh, don't look. You're cheating.
Ready?
Don't set your
Okay.
cards out in front of everybody.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Is a Joey winner's card.
Oh.
Or
Kyle Busch winner's card.
1972 Richard Petty.
We gave it to the king last time. We'll give it to him this time.
Yeah. Bye, Joey.
We need a camera looking down.
I know.
Can you kind of see it? Yeah, you can kind of see it from up there.
Oh, dang it. I left one of my cards out. I wanted to
All
play,
right.
but okay.
Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Nope. Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go. We have a Martin Truex Jr.
An autographed
Kevin
driver's
Harvick.
suit, Kevin Harvick.
Ooh, so do we give the nod to sign Harvick card or Darrell Waltrip card? I think you get it.
Yeah, you get it.
Merriman sitting at 2, me sitting at 1. You have 2. All right, ready? Always waiting on the woman.
There's a song about that. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm taking the cake.
Yeah,
on this one.
that's you.
Bobby Allison
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
against Kyle Busch. Oh no, you don't.
No, those are my keepers.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh.
Haley
don't know.
Deegan or Derek Cope?
I'm gonna go with Derek Cope.
No.
They got Derek Cope. They had to go find Derek Cope to sign that card.
All you have to do is look in the garage
yeah,
area
but
by
still.
00. I don't know.
I mean, I'm
Who has
torn.
more Instagram followers? I'm taking the win on that one. Solely. I mean, we live in the 21st century.
It's a weird time right now.
It is. All right. I have 4 cards left. So
All right.
choose wisely. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Bill
Oh,
Elliott,
Bill
Kevin
takes
Harvick, Bobby
Oh.
Allison.
That Bobby card already won earlier, so I'll take myself out.
Fair
You played
enough.
the same card?
Well, I mean, we picked 10 before.
All right, we're gonna. So last round here. Choose wisely.
All right. I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Richard Petty card, Jimmy Johnson card, Fire Suit, Kyle Busch card. All champions.
This is from the duels.
You know what I think? I think
think-
everybody's a winner with Panini.
That's
That's why I think we all get a card. We all get to keep our card.
So
There's so many cool cards here.
it's pretty ridiculous.
I have 3.
Okay. Oh, we got
I had
1,
3 as
2,
well, but you
3,
had 4.
I had
You
4. So I win the
Rigged.
Panini
Rigged.
Pokemon Challenge.
Yeah, this is cool.
That's pretty.
Okay,
legit.
so wait.
Play with
no-
your friends. Play with your mom.
I think you just invented a game too, which
Did.
is.
I think so.
I think
we
I have
call
the
it
better playoff.
I mean, I don't
drivers
know. I don't have. Nobody else has their spread
then.
out though.
Joey, Jimmy. Oh,
There's so many good
Jason,
cards in
not
here,
playoffs.
and some of them didn't even make the cut because that's how many quality cards are in here.
For
I know.
sure.
I mean,
look at-
one Corey LaJoie card wasn't even thrown out in the heap. I feel like I'm a little bit.
Yeah, but we didn't.
That would
wanna-
have won.
We didn't
hands
want to
down.
blind you. Which
With the stardom.
I mean, they picked the most like ruggedly groomed
Yeah.
picture for you. and
You
it
are
was pretty
very
amazing.
lumberjack rugged.
I'll take that as a
That's
compliment.
like old school look right there.
That was old
Who has
school.
the better
look.
beard?
Oh, mine's patchy because it's still growing back in from where I shaved the mustache.
I think mine's pretty good length right now.
Yeah.
Who has the better hair, me or Merriman?
I'm gonna go with Merriman.
Yeah.
Okay. Every driver said
It looks
that.
like
That's so
it
rude.
looks like Merriman spends more time on it.
I don't know if that's an insult to me.
That's not an insult to you.
insult to you.
That was an insult to Merriman.
Jeez, Weaver, you ever hear of a brush?
No.
Well, guys, I think that's about it.
That was fun.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Go
Good
buy
time.
these. They're
Is that
cool.
is that a Blaney?
That is a Blaney tire and that's
Wire
a piece
bead?
of
You
sheet
didn't throw
metal.
wire bead
Let
in?
me see that.
This is a Ryan Blaney fire suit tire piece of car. That's a jam-packed card.
That's a piece of sheet metal in that too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah,
So,
I have Chase.
Get it while they're hot. Panini trading cards, Victory Lane.